The design you are seeing on the pocket and the placket of this outfit is called threadwork embroidery design. It is what you can do by yourself as a fashion designer. You don't need to take it to someone to do it for you. It's something you can do at the comfort of your office, at the comfort of your room. I did this one by myself. I made use of 20U thread to do it. This is black 20U thread. One of these days I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make different kind of design with thread work. So I'm stitching the pocket already, and I'm doing it slowly. Like I often tell us on this channel, whenever you are fixing anything on the front panel of an outfit, do not rush it. It is not about the speed, it is about the accuracy first, because it is the front panel everybody will always see at the end of the day. So do not rush it, do it slowly and take your time so that you can have a perfect finishing. I'm almost done with the pocket. I have to top stitch very well at the end so that it will not pull off. Always tack that end very well whenever you are fixing. Now I want to trim off the thread, and after trimming off we go to the placket now to go and also stitch that one. So we start from that part. I always remove that one because there's hemigum in between that one and the fabric. So let's start stitching on that. And stitching this, we require you do it slowly. Like I said, do it slowly. We're going to do it round, we do it round, we do it round. This is one of the game changer actually. One of the game changer to have unrumpled front, unrumpled outfit, because some people don't know how to fix. People don't know how to fix placket and patch pockets on the front panel of outfit. So let's ensure that we do this gently, thread it gently. Let's do it gently. We do it down. We do it down. One of the things I want you to notice is that as I'm stitching, I'm spreading, ensure that I'm spreading the fabric. I'm trying to lay it so that it can be flat, so that I can get, unrumpled stitches. Because if you do not, at the end of the day, you'll discover that those, the size of your placket are rumpled and they are not relaxed. It is to the end that you have a relaxed, stitching at the end of the day, so that by the time you start ironing, you are going to have a flat and neat front panel for your outfit. So we do that. We are almost done with the fixing of the placket. It remains like 3 to 4 inches to finish. That part I have to trim off the thread so that it will not come out. So at the end of the day, I'm going to top stitch that place very well, because that's the ending. I have to top stitch very well so that it will not pull off by the time you start wearing the outfit. Stitch it very well, stitch it very well. So let us trim off this thread now. You have to trim from the back and also from the front. I've done both now. So can you see now? This is what we have at the end of the day. Look at how neat. After that, we are going to fix button, both press button and designer button. This is what we have at the end of the day. I'll fix the button on it, and I'll fix, metallic design.